here again with Ramona. I'm scraping the gasket off of the
oil pump.
And it's a bitch.
I've got one of the balance shafts in my lap. She's holding the other one. She's holding the oil pump by the shaft. It's looking better to me. That's always the fun part because you're having to chase it around. The block, you know, it don't move as much.
Just because he's not up here, my car is way prettier than this one. He's been wanting my parts off my car too, but I won't give them up.
She won't let me have her oil pump.
I told y'all he's been trying to steal my fucking parts.
But it's got straight cut gears and they're perfect. Her car ain't turboed. It don't need that. I mean, it don't need this. I mean,
my car needs its parts.
She could use Taiwanese oil pump and be fine forever. I need performance.
Good Lord.
We're taking a little bit of gasoline in this bucket here, and this paintbrush, and getting the grease off the oil pump and dirt to clean it up. We got the oil pump clean. Mostly Charlie did. Timing cover, oil filter housing.
And my pants and shoes are spotted and ruined.
No smoking.
I got more cover than he did. How is that possible?
I've done it before.
Well, we're going to go get showered up and ready for a bonfire. And we'll catch y'all in the next video.
As long as we're not the bonfire.
Yeah, as long as we're not the bonfire. We'll catch y'all in the next video. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.